morning, students. So let us start with this first unit of metabolisms. So in metabolism of macromolecules, you have to study these three units. First is the carbohydrate metabolism, second one is the lipid metabolism, third one is the biosynthesis of amino acid, and last one is the biosynthesis of nucleotide. So today we start with the basic concept of metabolism, and then we start with the first unit. That in first unit only there is a basic concept of metabolism. So let us start with the metabolism. So what do you mean by metabolism? Metabolism is nothing but the enzymatic series of reaction in which one component is converted into the second one with the help of enzyme. See here, I will show you the here I mention the diagrammatic representation. A is converting to B is converting to C by the E2, C is converting to D by E3, and D is converting to E4. So here without E1 there is never B is formed, without E2 never C is formed. For example, is it clear? So metabolism, that is the series of enzymatic reaction in which one reactant is converted into the product with the help of enzyme. So generally we refer as it is an enzymatic series of reaction. There are the two type of metabolism, catabolism and anabolism. Catabolism, that we refer as a degradation. Catabolism we refer as a degradation in which nutrient and the cell constituent are broken down exergonically to to the salvage their components and to generate the free energy. Catabolism is the energy generating pathway and anabolism is the energy requirement pathway, because anabolism is the build up pathway and catabolism is the breakdown pathway. Is it clear? Catabolism, that we refer as the energy releasing metabolic reaction, and anabolism we refer as the energy requiring metabolic reaction. Some pathways, means metabolism, are of two pathways, catabolism and anabolism. Catabolism is the broken down pathway in which for example, complex substance such as CD is broken down into the A plus B. That is a catabolism. That is a breakdown pathway. And anabolism, that is a build up pathway. And for the build up of anything, we always need the energy. So metabolism is the enzymatic series of reaction, and there are three types of metabolism. Means basically there are two types, catabolism and anabolism, but some pathways are amphibolic. If few of their reactions are catabolic and few of their reactions are anabolic, and that's why such pathway in which both mechanisms is going on we refer as an amphibolic pathway. Here I show you some example. See here, A plus B, anabolism, that is build up to form a C. But when C is broken down into the A plus B, that we refer as a catabolism. Catabolism means how our cell decide to start the catabolism pathway or start the anabolism. That totally depends upon the energy requirement. If cell have a sufficient amount of energy, that time anabolic pathway start. If cells are having deficiency of the energy, that time catabolic pathways are start. Means when, in simple language, when cell need energy, catabolic pathway start. When cell don't need energy, that time anabolic pathway start. So there is the main two pathways, anabolism and catabolism. And how our cell decide which pathways to be going on, that is by our energy. Is it clear? So see here, there are some example. Complex metabolic pathways are built up from the simple product, that we refer as anabolism or we refer as a biosynthesis. When complex metabolic pathway degraded, that we refer as a catabolism. And once there is a catabolic pathway, energy release, and when there is an anabolic pathway, energy requirement. So this is the overview, or this is the basic concept of metabolism. Metabolism we also refer as the sum of the total of all enzyme catalyzed reaction that occur in organisms. Generally here see, carbohydrate fats and proteins. These are the macromolecules. Is it clear? And whenever they are undergo the catabolic pathway, energy is liberated and that complex product is converted into simpler one. And when simpler product is converted into complex one, that we refer as a build-up pathway, that we refer as a biosynthesis pathway, and for the biosynthesis energy is required. Is it clear? So this is in short about the metabolism. Metabolism is what? Enzymatic series of reaction, and basically they are of two types, catabolism and anabolism, that totally depends upon the energy requirement of the cell. So energy, what type of energy in our in metabolic pathways form? ATP. ATP is the energy source, which is the universal energy source, which is formed in the biological reaction. And ATP is the energy which is utilized by anaerobic pathway, and the ATP is the energy which is released by the catabolic pathway. So in next lecture we discuss why we referred ATP as an universal energy source. So I hope you understood the metabolism, that is the enzymatic series of reaction, and which pathway we referred as a catabolic pathway and which pathway we referred as an anabolic pathway. So next bit we will start in the next lectures. Okay, if you have any doubt we will discuss in next lecture. Okay, thank you.